Hi there, you're watching Market Glance, an overview of the top stories which may affect your trades, reported by investing.com and brought to you by Dukascopy TV. Let's begin by looking at the US dollar. Last week, the greenback gained ground against most of its rivals due to concerns over global growth. But the dollar index then snapped a 12-week winning streak. We start this new trading week with stronger than expected Chinese trade data, which helped the Aussie dollar surge into positive territory. The yen also made further gains as the dollar reacted to comments made by Senior Federal Reserve official Stanley Fischer. The Aussie dollar traded at 0.8726, up 0.45%. The dollar yen traded at 107.14, down 0.47%. The euro dollar held at 126.82, up 0.44%. Fears that Germany is on the brink of recession also had an impact on market sentiment. Recent data indicated unexpected weakness in manufacturing and exports as German exports dropped 5.8% in August. Earlier in the week, the IMF slashed its forecast for global growth in 2014 and 2015. It said that global growth may never reach its pre-crisis levels ever again. The US dollar index fell 0.06% to 85.61. This week, investors will be closely watching US data on retail sales and industrial production. Now, looking at Asian stocks and oil. Asian stocks fell to 7-month lows on Monday, and the declines in Asian stocks came after US stocks fell 1.2% on Friday, and Wall Street's fear gauge, the CBOE Volatility Index, rose near a 2-year high. Commodities have also been badly affected by demand worries. Brent crude has dropped $25 since June, and on Friday came in around $88 a barrel for the very first time in nearly 4 years. It last traded $89.25. Now, in recent months, global supplies have far outpaced demand, causing speculation among traders about whether the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries will actually lower production to keep prices high. A report last week showed that OPEC oil output hit a 2-year high of 31 million barrels per day in September. And the last report is about precious metals. Now, uncertainty over the next rate hike by the Federal Reserve sparked a gain in gold prices in early Asia on Monday. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold futures for the December delivery traded at $1,230.30 a troy ounce, up 0.41%. after hitting an overnight session low of $1,217.70. Now, data from the Commodities Futures Trading Commission released Friday showed that hedge funds and money managers decreased their bullish bets in gold futures in the week ending October 7th. Silver for December delivery was up 0.17% at $17,447 a troy ounce. Copper futures for December delivery fell 0.13%. Well, that's all for today's episode of Market Glance, but make sure you join us again next week. Goodbye for now.